Okay, so I'm at Walmart. It's raining. I'm gonna go use this coupon. I have to have these things anyway for allergies, so. And Claritin-D works great. The other one that works really well is Claritin-X, but that requires a prescription. So I'll just go get some of these. And that's pretty much how it's done. You can see the $3 removed for the coupon. I got the 30 pack. Normally I can't use coupons, but if it's something I'm going to get anyway, I get it. Typically the name brands that you can get the coupons for still cost more than the regular, even with the coupon, but the generics on these don't really work as good. So I kind of have to have something that works. But anyway,